Christmas time at Robeson Design. Hi, I'm Rebecca Robeson, and this is my friend Matt, and he's going to be helping me today as we take this 9-foot flocked artificial tree and turn it into a gorgeous modern farmhouse tree. Are you ready?
I am. I'm excited.
He's excited. I recommend decorating on high ladders with boots on. Okay, you want to be on top? Guess what I've been watching lately?
Porno?
Now, I like to add honeysuckle vine to a tree because it gives it a really nutty, it's a bit nutty. Oh, that's the good stuff. So it kind of nestles, just the strength of it wanting to curl kind of keeps it in its place. Now I want to add to the topper like a thing, and I'm going to do that with a bow and some greens. Now, personally, I absolutely adore this kind of stuff, and it goes great with the tree. So I'm going to make a couple of bows to put at the top of the tree, and instead of making just one, I have found that it's better to make at least two. Look at you doing great.
Thank you.
One of us needs to be, around here needs to be a horticulturist. Let me get back here. Okay, I don't like it. Put it kind of on the back side-ish. I like that. Okay, can you put this around?
I would love to.
I'm tempted to stop right here. This tree is beautiful, it's clean, it's modern, and honestly, I think it would go in just about any home decor that you may already have. But I tend to like to take things over the finish line. So keep watching as I now turn on the real, true farmhouse style. Perfect. I did go big. Look, how cute! How cute would that be to put on the tree and put Christmas cards in it? Now this is Farmhouse. So cute. I'm not sure I want to use these. They're kind of big. So Matt, we're going to begin by putting the most important things on first. The places where we know we have big spaces. Like I love the idea of this bell. Look at this, Matt. Isn't that look cute? And look, it just like goes the whole length. And tell me which one do you like better? This here? You come here and hold it, and I will go take a look.
This one?
Hey, what about one of those little Santa ornaments? Oh, cute. I just know that right now it looks so dull, but it feels like a lot of stuff without much pizzazz.
I think it needs a little color.
So let's try the green. I think one of the reasons why this needs this is because if this was a green tree, this stuff would show up more, but with all the flocking on it, the green of the tree just gets lost. I think honestly, red berries would look amazing. Right near the bow in the front. Thank you. I want to see how it looks hanging on that window.
Rebecca, maybe do you want to put your ice cream down?
No, it's delicious. It's Christmas time, man. Okay, how about here instead?
Well played, madam, well played.
Can you stand aside a little bit and the other side? The other side. Thank you. All right, modern farmhouse, Robeson style. As much as I loved the tree when it was just very clean and white and burlappy, I actually really like it with these touches of the green balls. And you'll notice that the green balls are in different hues. Some of them are more limey, some of them are more spruce colored, and some of them are just plain green. And in all of my trees, I love the fact that wherever you stand, you can look deep into the tree and see the balls going all the way to the trunk. As you look closely at this tree, you are going to see so many unusual, different, and unexpected ornaments. Ribbon that's made out of burlap, that's one thing, but look at this. This ribbon here with the little bells on it, that just adds so much fun. Absolutely love the twigs. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. Would you ever put twigs like this? This is honeysuckle vine, and then all these little balls that I picked up at the store. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby, and instead of hanging them from the tree, I have them just on the floor, sort of strewn about. I feel that Christmas decorations should go not only on your tree, but throughout your entire house. I also bring in my gift wrap that matches, so you see the same burlap ribbon that was put on the tree is brought down to the packages. And I've kept all of my Christmas wrap in white this year. How fun will it be this year to have an actual receptacle on the tree that we can put our Christmas cards in? Farm fresh Christmas tree. In my apothecary jars, I did a simple odd number of 3. It's very simple, but something like this can add so much to your decor and bring your color scheme all the way across your room. I kept the accessorizing in my built-in very minimalist. In years past, I would fill this thing up with all kinds of Christmas decorations, but with the modern farmhouse tree look, I think it is again, modern. What's the modern part? Well, look at these books are turned around so that you don't see the spines, you actually see the pages. Oh, Holy Night and a manger scene, which I have in my home somewhere every single year. And on the other side, I add to that symmetry and balance. And then right here where I have this longer space, I looked in my garage and I found an old vintage window that I've owned for 20 plus years. I bought it at a garage sale for a few bucks, and I hung on it a magnolia wreath. This is the first of the 4 trees we're going to bring you this year on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so that you are alerted every time we upload our Christmas tree decorating videos this year, because you're going to want to know, because we're doing a giveaway and you're going to love it and you're going to be so excited, okay? We want to say thank you for watching. Hope you got some good ideas from this one, and I think you should try it out. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you're going to do that. All right. So there are many places you can use this. And once you start something like this in your house,
Sure.
there's nothing left.
here.